Okay, we are going to be rebuilding or changing the O-rings and various maintenance items for the Bostitch framing nailer. I got the kit on Amazon. I'm not sure how much it was. I bought it a while ago. I'm just getting around to doing it now. So I'll try and put the link in the description. Wasn't that expensive. I think maybe 30 bucks. I got it from Tools Plus Incorporated. So it comes with little dental pick. I mean, I have some in the garage, but whatever. This was already taped to the paperwork. What you're going to need is snap ring pliers, internal. These do both, external, internal. 5mm for taking the bolts out that hold down the cap. Loctite blue for putting it on these threads. They already had it on there. Obviously, there's vibration involved with this thing when it's working. And then it comes with O-ring lube. I was just going to use, air gun lube, but it has these packs in here, so we'll just use that anyway. We're going to go through it together. I haven't done it yet. I'm just going to do one piece at a time. So basically, you just crack these loose. Like I said, 5mm. Take the cap off, and you got... I'm not going to pretend I know what these things are called, what the names of everything are. So this black plastic piece has this hard plastic O-ring on top. Throw that to the side. The new one is right here. Just going to put that on. And it has an O-ring in this groove right here. Just use the tool, pry that out. Match it up with the new one. Obviously that's not it. That's too big. That looks to be about it. There's a couple that are the same size in this kit. That's for the cap. Alright, so chuck the old one to the side. Open up the grease. And obviously I didn't open it good enough. And there you go. That part is done. There's just a spring in there and another white plastic piece. I guess it diverts the air when it for the exhaust. Has something to do with that. And the way it goes in is the wider part goes toward the top of the cap. And that's it for that. Set that to the side. And you got this aluminum sleeve here. Mine's a little dirty. Oil. Clean it up. Okay. There's this guy right here. This piece is that new one. Now, the way it came out was the longer piece, longer extension is toward the top. So this is tapered toward the front of the gun, or the bottom of the gun, whatever you want to call it. We'll just put it back the same way as soon as I get the thing out. I could just cut it, but why make it easy? There's machined holes in here. I guess you just make sure they're clean. Nothing blocking those holes. Looks good. Some more of the grease on there. Inside and out. Obviously the oil is going to go to the same places. So put this guy in with the tapered part facing down, pointing down. Here you go, just like that. And then you got another O-ring here. It's not that one. It's probably this guy right here. Let's use the tool again. Yep, same thing. You get the idea, more grease. Okay. Okay. Put that guy to the side. Clean the area. And you got this one. That's really dirty. This sits in the top groove right here. And it actually says top on it. So you can't mess that up. My gun was basically whenever I depressed the safety against the wood or the lumber, whatever, I would hit the trigger and it would be like there was something missing. Basically just the way it feels right now. It would do nothing. It would just nothing. And like I said, I freaking bought the kit a while ago. I was using the gun a lot, and then all of a sudden I wasn't using it anymore, so I decided to hold off on rebuilding the thing. The funny thing is, actually right before I started shooting this, the gun worked no problem. So I figured, what the hell, I have the kit, I might as well do it. So here we are. Clean it up. Get the tool again. And then obviously it's going to be this guy right here. Throw that to the side. Whoa. Slippery little sucker. There you go. Okay. Rest him in there. Oh, I forgot to do one thing with the cap. It has the seal for the where it bolts to the rest of the body. Right in here. Yeah. You can't mistake that one. Obviously just line up the holes. Yep, there you go. Press that in there nice. Okay. A little more grease. There you go. Okay, next. Still haven't found out where they need me to use snap ring pliers. That's what it says in the directions though. You got, I'm assuming, what actually drives the nail. I could be wrong. It probably is it though. There just seems to be one O-ring in here. And if you look, it's T-shaped. And inside the gun, I can't tell if you can see that or not, but there is a T-shape inside the gun as well. So this can only go in one way. Take this guy out. Okay. What else we got? We got 2 more O-rings left. And this white spacer. Well, upon further searching, there actually has something in the directions, go figure, about where everything goes and what you need. So, and actually before I checked this out, I did notice that we have to go back to the cap again. Underneath this guy, right here. Or not underneath it, in the same area, as in just slightly, just pull it out. It takes a little bit of pressure. There is an O-ring inside here as well. So we're going to pull that guy out. Right there. And replace it with the other one in the kit. Same thing, grease the hell out of it, blah, blah, blah. Now, again, I don't know where you would need snap ring pliers, so, I mean, it says that in the kit, in the directions, so you're going to need a set of snap ring pliers, but I don't know where you need them. And then this guy just goes inside the race. There you go. Just right here inside this lip. Clamp Clean this guy up. And then just take a rag to the inside of the body as well. You're going to notice that if yours has use like mine, you're going to see very, very, very tiny filings. Nothing to worry about, because the oil is going to be like a gray color, or the oil, the oil is going to be like a gray color inside there, all over the body of the gun. Clean, dry rag. Clean it out. Just get any crap out of there. Okay. And then just reverse the procedure. Put this one in first. Where's the oil? Obviously, top up. Push that in there tight until it stops. And then a little more oil. And put that inside the sleeve after you clean it a little bit. Oh man. And piston inside the sleeve cylinder. Alright, and then again the T shape. Just like that. Very easy. Put this back over the top. The big cone shape, the bigger portion goes toward the cap. Not before you put the spring back in though. Spring in, then this guy goes on. There you go. Just like that. Okay, and take your Loctite, put it on the bolts a little bit. Don't use red. The red is just about permanent. It's gonna be a real pain to get it out next time you have to take it apart. The blue is a removable kind. The other bumper on. Alternate it so it goes down nicely. Try it nice and square. sure there's a torque spec for this. I haven't looked. Okay. Put some oil in it. Give it a shot. Sorry, put nails in it, of course. Let's see. There we go. She's ready to go. Hope this helped. Have fun.